Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got a set of locking pliers, a speed square, and a broom with a twist. Let's check them out. Now here we have Milwaukee's 4.5-inch trim square. It's a great tool for those who don't normally need to carry a 6-inch speed square, or for some tasks where you just don't want to carry something like this around. I used to carry this around every day and I used it for almost every task that I had to do when I was a carpenter. But for things like trim, I didn't wear my tool belt. For that instance, I would have loved to have one of these things. It's 4.5 inches long. It fits much nicer into my pocket than this would have. This likes to fall out of that back pocket. This thing fits in there nice, and it does everything that the 6-inch speed square does, but it's smaller. It has your angle markings here. It's got your measurements here with some scribe lines as well. It's just a great all-around, nice and compact speed square. You can find these online and at Home Depot for $11. Remember, that's the Milwaukee 4.5-inch trim square. Here we have Armor Tools automatic locking pliers, and it's a great upgrade from your standard vice grip style locking pliers that have the knurled knob. We can get rid of that knurled knob because they've come up with this auto adjust technology, so you don't have to adjust to the thickness of the material that you want to grab. Whether it's a small nail, you can clamp on really tight, or if it's a bigger pipe, you can grab and the jaws will lock onto that material. So they sell them in 3 different sizes: a 7-inch needle nose for $20, a 6-inch curved jaw for $20, and a 10-inch curved jaw for $27. You can find them online and at armortool.com. Here we have the Renegade Broom. It's great for those who want a broom that does a better job, whether that's inside or outside. Now it's kind of a cross between a rake and a broom in that it's 18 inches wide and it's got these uniquely curved bristles. Now these are really great when you're using kind of a pulling motion. It'll scoop debris out of cracks and grooves and crevices, and it works really great. I've had this for about a week now, and I've used it on wet leaves, dirt, mulch, grass, and it does a really good job. And when you're storing it, it also has a telescoping handle so you can store it up nice and tight, hang it on your wall. You can find these online for about $37. That is the Renegade Broom. So there you have it. We've got Milwaukee's 4.5-inch trim square, Armor Tools locking pliers, and the Renegade Broom. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know you will too. So see us again next time on Stuff We Love.